Man, it sucks to fail, but some of your best lessons come from failure. A couple years ago, I had to discontinue my service called Linkify.bio. It basically was a service that would let you create a quick landing page to put all your links in so that you could put that one single link in your Instagram bio, in your Twitter bio, or whatever the social media bio was that you wanted to link from. It sucks to fail, but I want to share the bad with all the good stuff I share, and also share how I feel about failure in general. So I developed Linkify.bio back in 2017 when I myself needed a better, prettier landing page to link people from my social media accounts. I felt like the options out there they didn't look good enough, they weren't fast enough to use, and I thought I could do better. I think I succeeded in making Linkify.bio easy to use, easy to sign up. You didn't need an email. You just signed up with your social media accounts. It was free and it looked great. It looked better than the other alternatives at the time. I created the service using JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I used PHP and server-side rendering to make the site dynamic and load all the user-generated content. I also used PHP API endpoints to pull data from the database and store data in the database based on when users were creating new links for their bio. And I also used the MySQL database to store all the data. And I hosted it all on Google Cloud Platform. It was a fun project to build and is also useful, and I decided to release it for free at first. But as the years rolled by, my time went to other projects and I ended up leaving this service to fall behind a lot of the other competitors. And once Facebook shut down support for login with Instagram in 2020, I knew it was time to shut down the service. It made the service a lot more hard to set up. And at the same time, other options like Linktree and Later started to grow, get better, and have way better options, have way better support than my service did. And also at the same time, if you're a developer, you should make your own link in bio page and link it to your own website so that you can reap the SEO benefits and basically have control of the traffic. And even if you're not a developer, if you have your own website, it's better just to make your own link in bio page on your own website. I hopefully plan to do that soon. It's been some years, but I got to get on it. All that being said, I truly believe that failure is a part of the process of getting to success. And what I learned from failing here, or quote unquote failing, is number one, valuable resources and apps can be built in less than a week. That's how long it took me to build this, or at least the MVP version of it. Two, you got to research your competitors in the market before you start building. Three, you need to have a marketing strategy and a monetization strategy. Even if you don't have a business plan, you at least need to have those two things in place beforehand. I released this app for free and never really had any plans to make money from it, or a real plan to market it to where maybe I would have wanted to support it a little bit more. And number four, and the last one, apps and services need to be updated regularly. You can't just leave them out to dry. Competitors will pop up and start leaving you in the dust. All in all, I think anybody who did use the service, and I look forward to making more services and delivering new stuff in the future. And to end it off, I feel good about failing. There's a lot that I learned. I feel like it wasn't really a failure, but a learning experience. I'd like to know, have you ever failed? What did you think about it? What did you learn from it? Failure always sucks in different aspects that it can be, but sometimes it can definitely help you not make the same mistakes in the future.